In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Cloud error in just 5 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. If you've been struggling with syncing issues or can't seem to access your game saves across devices, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process and I'll guide you step by step to get everything back in working order. First, we need to fire up the Steam app. So, open the Steam application on your computer. Once you have it up and running, look for the login button if you aren't already logged in. Click on it, and now you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Type in your account name and password carefully. Don't forget to double check for typos. After that's done, go ahead and click on sign in. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to where the magic happens. Head over to the Steam menu located at the top left of your screen. From here, select Settings to open up the Steam Settings window. Within the settings, find the option labelled Cloud. This is where you control all the cloud related settings for your games. In this step, ensure that Enable Steam Cloud is checked. This feature allows your game progress to save and sync between different devices seamlessly. In case you're still encountering errors, let's try something else. Head back to your Steam library. Here, we need to find the specific game that's causing the cloud error. Once you've located it, right click on the game, and from the drop down menu select Properties. In the Properties section, click on the Installed Files tab. This is a crucial step. We need to verify the integrity of your game files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. What this does is check for any missing or corrupted files and replaces them if needed. Sometimes the issue might not be directly related to a specific game, but rather a broader setting in your Steam client. To address this, let's revisit the Steam menu and once again select Settings. This time navigate to the Downloads section. Here you'll find an option to clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve any temporary glitches in the Steam client. Additionally, if you're still facing issues, look for the Storage section instead. Here you should notice 3 dots next to your library folders. Click on them and then select Repair Library. This will attempt to fix any issues related to your Steam library's storage paths and settings, and there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully resolved your Steam Cloud error. Don't forget to drop a comment or a like if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.